It's Daddy and Izzy, and Izzy's the fish. There's Dad, and I'm the fisherman. Ready? Go fishing! Whoa! Ah! I think I got a bite. Felt a bite, no? They're hard to read. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh! I got him! I got one! Ooh, ooh! Ooh! Oh! I got! Oh, this one's huge. Ooh! She looks like she's fighting. I can tell it's a female fish. Ah! Fighting fish! Oh, look at it! Oh my God! It's an insane fish. I'm so lucky. And I get to eat the insane fish. Oh! Yeah! I got this! Oh, I got this one. I can't wait to get this one in. Oh, it's going to be good eating. Good eating. Oh! I think it's tiring out, though. No? I almost got it. I almost got it. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, I got it. Oh, Daddy Fisherman rules again. Yes. All right. Good job, Izzy. You make the greatest fish ever. You want to take your bow? Isabella takes a bow. Good job. Hey, you're almost seafood, Mama. Oh, this is my house and the mess that my daughter made, which we'll be cleaning up. Goodbye.